Hello and good afternoon, everyone. It's afternoon where I am. So I'm making this video to show you how to access Microsoft 365. If you work at the San Diego Community College District, you already have an account, so you can use the Microsoft Suite. There's lots of great apps in there. The typical ones, right, are just Word, Excel, PowerPoint, but there's other apps in there that you can access. So the beautiful thing is that you can use it in the cloud, so you can sort of use it in the web-based format, just kind of doing everything in the cloud, and wherever you go, whatever computer you use, you can sign in and have all your documents. But you can also download it to your computer. I think on your account you can, I think it's you can download to 5 different computers, 5 different devices. So if you download it once on a computer, don't worry, you can download it on your laptop, you can download it other places. Okay, so there you have a few downloads. So how do you get it? It's like, wow, such a great thing. How do I get it? So go to Microsoft 365. Okay, so type that just in the search bar. And then Office 365 login right here. That's the first hit on the search bar right there. And then you're going to get the sign-in page. So this is the same sign-in as you would on your Outlook or on your My Portal. So it's the same sign-in as your kind of other stuff. Mine is aglogue. So aglogue at sdccd.edu. Alright. Use my password. So the password is the same that, as I said, that you use if you were accessing Outlook from a web browser, or if you were signing into my portal. So go ahead and sign in. Alright. Cool, so you get to this dashboard. So here I already have like some recent documents that I've been working on. The first thing I want to point out to you is this button right here. Okay, so this button right there, Install Office. Right, so this allows you to download the suite to your computer or your laptop. Okay, so you can see that it includes Outlook, OneDrive, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more. So you click on here, and it's going to do the Office setup. I'm going to stop it because I already have. Actually, it's already on there. I'm not going to open it. I already have things installed. But you're going to go to the executable file, and you're going to open it up. Alright, so now that you know how to access Microsoft Suite through the website and how to install it to your computer if you wish to do that, then let's go over some things that are available to you and how to use them. Okay, so if you look in the menu over here, you have Word, you have Excel, you have PowerPoint, but then beyond that there are other apps. So for example, to use Word, you can just click on here, new blank document. Now you can work on the document in the cloud, basically, on the website, or you can open it from your computer. So after you install the suite, you can go to your computer and open Word from your computer. Here we can, once you sort of done with the document, you can save it. Right, so you can save this as something. Okay, so this is my document. You have a choice of saving it to your locally to your computer, to your documents folder, or anything else. Right, but you can also save it to OneDrive or the cloud, basically. Right, so OneDrive the documents will go with you, so they'll be saved in the cloud. So when you go to another computer, you can open the Microsoft Suite. You go to this page right here, you'll have access to them. So there's kind of convenience to do that. So let's see. All right. Okay, so you can see now that it's on the list of your documents. Okay. There's other things that you can do with documents. You can share, right? You can share documents with people. So just like with Google Drive, right? If you have Google Docs or Google presentations, you can share with people. You can share things through the OneDrive also, through the Microsoft Suite. So that's another convenience. Okay, you have access to Excel, PowerPoint, and there's some other apps in here. This one, the little cloud thing, is the OneDrive that will basically show you all your documents and folders in there that are on the cloud. Let me open all apps right here. Okay, so if you click on all apps, you see all the stuff that's available to you beyond those regular ones that you might be using. A lot of people like to use Onenote. This you can sort of use, open a notebook. So if you're lecturing or you have notes, then you can share them with your students. You can print them as PDFs and other things like that. I know a lot of people use that. They find that convenient. What else do I use? Teams. So Teams is available through here. I don't know if you've ever used Teams, but I've started using them, just having like collaborative groups. So instead of email, kind of chains of emails around the subjects, you can put things, have a group in Teams where you can share documents, you can share conversation, you can chat. You can also hold meetings like you would over Zoom. Okay. I use Whiteboard a lot. So I like Whiteboard because it writes nicely. So when I'm doing math problems, I can create a new whiteboard, and then I have little tools here that kind of makes it easier to write with. I don't know what happened. It makes it easier to write with the stylus. But I have it downloaded on my computer, so instead of using it on the cloud, I download it on my computer and use it that way. Okay. So there it is. See, so you can you have little tools right here that you can sort of write with the pen. Again, these are shareable. You can share it to, once you wrote, you can share it with the students. So kind of whatever you think of that it's like, oh yeah, I do that in Google Docs. I do that with Google. All that stuff is also like available through this Microsoft Suite. So it kind of has a lot more in it than just like the Word and the Excel and the PowerPoint that you might use. But if these are the only things that you use, that's okay too. So I just wanted to kind of make this little video to show you that you do have access to Microsoft. You can access it from anywhere if you kind of log into the cloud, and you can download it to your computer or your laptop by hitting install at the top. All right, I hope this is helpful. Let me know if you have any questions about this. By no means an expert in Microsoft Office, but I've used it a bit, so I might be able to answer your questions or guide you to the right place. All right, see you all later.